Today we're gonna make super easy homemade croutons. Delicious. Today we're gonna make homemade croutons. So at our restaurant, when we have day-old bread and you don't want it to go to waste, we make it into croutons. And at home, I like to do that because I don't want to waste bread, and that way my kids have it and they can add to salad or soup, anything like that. So here we have a loaf of bread, and we're just gonna, and you can use any bread, and we're gonna cut them into crouton-sized pieces. Put them in a bowl. Cut it down, and then we can cut them in perfect little squares. Okay, we've cut up our bread. And add this to the bowl. And now we're gonna add our seasoning. So I preheated the oven, 375, and I'm gonna take some butter, melt this. We have melted butter. We're gonna add in some olive oil. To this, and now we're gonna do a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, paprika, oregano, salt, pepper, and a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. So we'll take that mixture, mix this all together. We're gonna pour on top of our bread. I'm gonna toss them. So easy and flavorful. And this way you can also control the flavors that you put on the croutons. You know, if one of your kids doesn't like garlic or they want more garlic or more paprika, I like to use the olive oil and the butter, so then they'll coat them nice. And they're gonna get a nice crisp on them when we put them in the oven. Perfect, now we're gonna put them on the baking sheet. Spread them out. And our oven is ready, preheated. We're gonna pop them in the oven. So about 12-15 minutes, we need them nice and crispy. So I baked these for about 12 minutes. Look at this, nice golden brown color, perfect. So this is so great because I don't waste the bread. I can make these croutons. My kids will eat them, add them to their salad, their favorite Caesar salad. But I'm also making lots of soups this week so they can add it to their soup as well. Store them in a sealed Ziploc bag and they'll be good all week. Look at this. Delicious. Check out my website for the full recipe, as well as finding other recipes that will match for you to add these homemade croutons, soups, salads, and weekly dinners.